Good day again, grade 9. So here's another video of solving the measurement of sides of a given parallelogram. So quadrilateral QPSR or quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. So if this is a parallelogram, to find the measurement of side RQ, so si side RQ ay ito, and it's given that this is 3x plus 3. And since given din si side PS or SP, which is negative 1 plus 4x, we can use condition number 1. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. So with that, we can equate, or we can include that side side SP is congruent to side QR since they are opposite sides, and with that, SP is equal to QR, or the measurement of side SP is equal to QR. So, negative 1 plus 4x, saan galing yun? Dito po yun, no? Yan. Is equal to 3x plus 3. Saan galing yun? Dito po yun. Okay. So, combining like terms, lipat ko lang si negative 1 sa kabila, lipat ko si positive 3x sa kabila. So, kina-combine lang natin yung similar terms. So, 4x minus 3x is equal to 3. From negative 1, magiging positive 1. So, 4x minus 3x is x. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, nakuha pa lang natin yung variable x. We're solving for the measurement of QR. So, QR is equal to 3x plus 3. And since x is 4, so 3 times 4 plus 3. So, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is, QR is equal to 15 units. Okay. Here's another example po. Let's look at this one. Let's say you have daw po segment UH is equal to 19 and segment FH is equal to 5x minus 7. So, kapag plinat natin siya, ito yung UH, 19 ito. Yung FH naman is 5x minus 7. So, yung buong diagonal. So, mula dito sa point na to, hanggang dito yung tinutukoy. And that is 5x minus 7. Mula doon hanggang dito. Okay. So, with that, gagamitin natin si condition number 5, which means a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if diagonals bisect each other, which means side HU is congruent with segment HU is congruent with segment UF. So, pwede nating, dalawa yung pwede. Pwedeng i-times 2 si 19, then equal kay 5x minus 7, or kaya, i-divide si 5x minus 7 by 2 equals 19. Ako, ang mas gusto ko, since yung buo, which is 5x minus 7, ay equal sa 2 times nung kalahati ng ating diagonal, which is 2 times 19. Mas madaling mag-times kaysa mag-divide. So, yun yung gagawin natin. So, 5x minus 7, simplify lang natin, is equal to 2 times 19, and that is 38. Combine like terms, lipat ko lang tong 7 sa kabila. So, we will have 5x equals 38 from negative 7, magiging positive 7. So, 5x equals 38 plus 7 is 45. Dividing both sides by 5, x is equal to 9. And that's the missing value. Okay? Now, if you're looking for the measurement of side UF, that is also 19, since this is congruent with this one. So, for another tip, comment po yung room number ng inyong section sa comment section. So, same scenario, kapag na-send mo yung room number within the day na ma-send ko yung link, or before the day na, before that, you'll get a recitation sheet.